I feel so happy. I feel so confident. What is up, you guys? It's Anna. Welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Anna. I am Latina. Si tú también eres Latino o Latina, déjame saber en los comentarios de dónde me estás viendo. I was thinking of getting ready, at least for the intro, so you don't have to deal with this that you're looking at right now. But I'm sure, as you can tell by the title, this is a makeover video. So I thought, what's the point? I am someone that loves change. I am constantly changing my look. I'll answer some pictures in case you're new here. I went from this to this, and more recently I chopped my hair to where I have it today, and guess what? I'm over it. I do not like it at all. Starting today, the first step is to get a brow lamination and lash extensions. I've always wanted to have lash extensions, but it's something that I couldn't really afford. You know, we're always going in tangents here, but there's this Facebook group for girls in Nashville, and I asked if anybody was a lash artist that had more affordable prices, and I actually found a girl. She's a little far. She's in Franklin. So if you've ever been in Nashville, Franklin is 30 minutes south. Fun fact, it's actually where all the celebrity lives, like Casey Musgraves, the Cyruses, and all that. Yeah, so we're gonna head to Franklin. So let's get started with this 2022 makeover. I don't know if you can even see anything because I'm wearing glasses. I got lash extensions, and I also got a brow lamination. If you have done a brow lamination before, you know the first day, which is right now, today, is the worst because you can't get them wet. They're as weird as they can look just to make sure they stay straight. On the opposite, the lashes look the best when they're just done. I have done lashes in the past, but only as a one-off. Sorry, I'm gonna have to put my glasses because I can't see shit. I have done lashes before only when I was going on trips. It's such a life hack for me whenever I'm going on a long trip with friends, especially. I am always that one girl that everybody is waiting on to get ready. You've been there when you walk into the living room and they're all just waiting there like, oh, okay, you're ready, let's go. I hate being that person. I don't know why am I talking about traveling in this makeover video, but I just want to say I have gotten lashes before, but this is the first time that I'm getting them with the intention of keeping up with them. The girl that I went with, you guys saw the clip of her little studio. She's also Latina, which I love. If you guys watch my 2021 favorites video, like I'm really trying to see where my money goes this year, so that's why I'm willing to do one beauty thing a month, which will probably be my lashes. But yeah, so this is day one. Look at those lashes. They look so good. And the brow lamination, oh my gosh. We have another day, which will be the major transformation. So yeah, I will see you guys for part 2 of this makeover. Good morning. I usually don't expose myself this ugly, but listen, the uglier I can get right now, the better, because that way you'll get more impressed at my makeover. Today it's snowing a little bit. Let me show you. We got some snow going on. I love that. So this is where my hair is at right now. If you guys remembered, I cut my hair short. Honestly, I was never really a fan of it, but whatever, we're here, we're getting extensions, we're gonna look even cuter. I'm gonna wash my face, kind of as sad situation with the brows, they look so bad. Then just get ready and head to the salon. I have a feeling I'm gonna be there for like a lot of hours, so let's go. Just parked outside of the hair salon. I switched between 2 hairstylists, but I love coming to this one because it's right next to my favorite coffee shop, Barista Parlor. If you know anything about Nashville, you obviously know about Barista Parlor. It's the best coffee shop. I've showed you guys a lot in my vlogs, just coming here and getting coffee. It is also extremely cold today. It's 25 degrees, but I love it. I love winter, but I'm still gonna get an iced coffee because I am that girl. I brought my Kindle because I figure I'm gonna have a lot of time to read. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like. Anna, what? At noon. Oh shit, okay. I guess I'll be back. Thanks, bye. I thought that my appointment was at 11 a.m. and it turns out it's at noon. So I have an hour. Back to the coffee shop we go.
1 hour later.
You guys, time for the big reveal. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hello, this is the new Anna. Do we like it? What do we think? I've never had extensions before, so it's definitely taken a little bit to get used to. Let me zoom you in so we can see the changes. I got eyelash extensions. You obviously know that because you saw it. The brows laminated. It looks so good right now. And this little thing, sad to report, is not real. It's like a fake one, but I do want to pierce it. The only thing is that when you pierce your nose, you have to get a little stud and wait like 3 months to get the hoop. For the sake of this video, I just wanted to have the little fake one. When I was in college, I did actually have a nose ring and I loved it. I went back to my natural hair color, dark brown, but I've never had it this long. It is so amazing and so cool to have a hair full of hair. Have a head full of hair. Waking up and not looking like a freaking mushroom with my old hair. Darkness a lot more, especially, this is silly, but where I live in Nashville, basically everybody has blonde hair and I just didn't want to blend in. I want to be a little bit different, and I feel like it definitely makes me look more Latina now that I have dark hair. But this is it. Oh my god, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, thoughts, questions. This is her. I am so excited. Wow, I feel so happy. I feel so confident. I feel so me, if that makes sense. Like coming back to basics, to my essence, which is this. Honestly, we'll see how long this lasts because I'm gonna get tired of it in 6 months. Hopefully not. These are permanent, so I'm gonna have to go to the salon every once in a while to have them moved up and all that stuff. Do you guys feel I look older or younger? Let me know. I still can't decide. Let me know what you guys think. I'm so excited to show you the big reveal. Moving forward, this is gonna be the new me. This was my glow up. I am ready for the new year. That is it for today's video. The glow up was real. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave me a comment and hit the like button. If you haven't done yet so, be sure to subscribe to my channel. The next video I'm gonna be posting is going to be my 10K subscribers giveaway. I have not forgotten about it. I actually have been collecting a lot of things to give you guys. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video coming out next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!